So, you've heard about WordPress, right? In the next few minutes, you'll have your very own WordPress website, ready for the world to see in a few minutes, no tech wizardry needed. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Grab your domain name and hosting. First things first. Your domain name is like your website's street address on the web, like myawesomeblog.com, and hosting is the land it's built on. These are the essentials. In choosing your domain, think about something catchy but clear. If it's a blog about tech reviews, maybe go with something like techtribereviews.com or nextgengadgets.com. Keep it short and memorable. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos. Let's continue. The next step is picking a host. Head over to Hostinger. The link is in my description below. They are one of the best hosts on the internet with robust offers and customer service. When you use my link, you will get up to 75% discount. Here we are in Hostinger. Hostinger offers free domain name registration in any of their plans. Scroll down and we will choose our plan. Here, I will choose the basic plan. We are in our cart. I always use the 48-month period. It will give you time to grow and not worry about host renewal, and it offers more discounts. Then click on Continue. Here, fill your name and billing address and click Continue. And next, choose a payment method and make payment. I advise you to register even if you already have an account to get all the discounts. The next page will prompt you to choose a domain name for free. Choosing a free domain, you will be taken to the dashboard. I already have an account with them, so we continue from here. I will add my website now. I will scroll down to Premium Web Hosting and click on Manage and wait for it to load. In this page at the top left, you click on the website name and then you select the website that you just registered. Then scroll down and click on Website. On the drop-down, select Auto Installer. Here are different web builders that you can use, but we will select WordPress. On this pop-up, here we will enter our website title. A website title is the main title or name that represents your website. Clearly indicate what the site is about. For example, Teach WordPress for a website that teaches WordPress. Enter your email. It's advisable to use a different email from the one you used to register your hosting account. Then enter your username and then password, and click Next. Here you just click on Install. Our WordPress is installed. Now let's get familiar with your website's heart, the WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll control everything from design to content. For us to access the dashboard, you can either click on WordPress admin button under Edit Website or go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password set during installation. I prefer using the WP admin for easy access. We are on the dashboard now. Here is where you control everything. You make posts, manage media files like pictures and videos, add pages, regulate comments, set appearance, and so on. Let's view our website and see how it looks now. Place your cursor on the website title by the top left and then right-click on Visit Website and then open link in New tab. And boom, here is our website live. The next step is picking a theme. Think of themes as the clothes your website wears. WordPress themes are pre-designed templates you can tweak to look how you want. Now you can decide to change how it looks by changing your theme. First, go to Appearance and click Themes in the dashboard. Click Add New to browse themes. Let's say you're creating a blog. You might look for something clean and simple, like the Inspiro theme. Once you find a theme you like, click Install and then Activate. Then let's preview again to see how it looks. Now your website is live and running. In the next video, we will learn how to customize and design your WordPress website to your test. Thanks.